Jeff from FerrariFXS.com. We are parting out a 2003 Saab 9.5 linear 2.3 turbo. The car was running before we decided to make this video. Engine has internal damage. So we're going to demonstrate all the features that work on the car before we dismantle. You have to open it. Keep the video running. And then the gas door on the other side. Okay, watch the gas door. Power seat, passenger side. Forward, aft, forward up, rear down, front down, seat back, forward and aft. Okay, with the driver's side now. Driver's side, fore, aft, rear up, rear down, forward up, forward down, seat back, forward, back. Memory 1, memory 2, memory 3. Okay. Okay, the engine control or instruments. Fan works. The heater controls work. Rear window, defroster, the recirc off, radio. It works. Okay, instrument cluster. Glove box. The vents are all real nice. So if you're interested in any of these parts, just let me know. And you can email me or call me if you're interested. If you find anything that's not listed, email us also, and we may be able to help you. Mirror with memory with the garage door features. Your controls for your sunroof and lighting. And visor mirrors, lights work, both of them. Shade. The rear lights work. And all the interior is in really good shape.